us your names.
فريح وجيه نكد.
Lina and Feza.
Rafael Habib.
And where are you from?
Syria.
Why did you make the decision to leave Damascus? Why did you choose to leave?
We decided to leave when the bombs are really every day we have bombs, and we feel danger.
Because of the war, and there's no jobs, no work. Yes.
Also the same. Because now in Syria, it's a hard situation. Because no electricity, no water, and everything is very expensive. It's hard to live there.
It's not good. Okay, every people want going to abroad because the Iraq every day war and killing, and the Daesh take a lot of AZDs and killing us, our mother, our father, sister, brother, kids, and killing every day. And we can't stay and living. It's not good.
Journey was so dangerous. First of all, why we left in Syria, you cannot go back because war and hard life is so much.
Are you making this trip on your own?
What?
Are you traveling alone?
Yeah, I'm traveling alone.
Did you leave family behind, or are there family ahead of you? Why are you traveling all on your own?
Because I don't want to stay in Iraq. Every day warring and killing. Who can't stay there?
Hold on, hope is on the way. Hold on, hope is on the way. But until she gets here, don't be afraid. In the dark of the storm, there will be better days. Keep holding on.
What was your work while you were there? Did you guys have occupations in Damascus? Jobs? Yeah.
I am a teacher. Rafi was
I was
studying.
working in the church.
Me, I have two occupations, jewels making jewels and in restaurants and beverage.
We knew maybe we draw in the sea, but we decided whether we will all draw together or we will succeed to start a new life.
What did you have to leave behind?
We left everything. Even everything. Also, I have a son there. I have parents, I have brother.
In particular, is there something that you hope for? Like, what are your hopes right now?
Hopes?
Yeah.
I can't say anything about the hopes. No hopes.
Sun still shines above the clouds. Here she comes, here she comes. Through the rain, I see her now. Here she comes, here she comes. The sun still shines above the clouds. Here she comes, here she comes. Through the rain, I see her now. Here she comes. Hold on, hope is on her way. Hold on, hope is on her way. But until she gets here, don't be afraid. In the dark of the storm, but there will be better days. Keep holding on.
What do you hope for when you reach Germany?
When I reach Germany, I hope to continue my studying and how can I say it? I want to prove that my country is a source for the good people. It's not the source for terrorism, for the bombing guns.
زارو كم تيجي مستقبلي وانا إنه التركي بين مستقبلي وانا جنابي إنه
شغلك باش بالحدي وعاد زندن بالشغل أم بيت قازي.
For me, I just wish to continue my studying. I'm studying English, and I have very hope for the future. That's all. I feel that I will make something good.
Maybe it's also possible that some of your family members in Syria might see this video. So is there anything you'd like to say to them?
We miss them.
Keep holding